All right. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back to Brainy by Tutorial. Okay, so welcome back to Brainy by Tutorial. If this is your first time of coming across to our YouTube channel, we are Brainy by Tutorial. Okay, so what we do in this channel is that we talk about things that concerns Jamb, admission, WAEC, and NECO, and schools update. Okay, so if you're a Jamb candidate, I want to encourage you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, turn on all bell notification because it is very very important to upload videos on daily basis. Okay, so upload updates about your schools on daily basis. Okay, so it is very very important for you to turn on bell notification and subscribe to our YouTube channel so that whenever we do that, YouTube will gonna notify you and you'll be the first to check out the update. All right, so um today I'm going to talk about Jamb change of course slash institution deadline. Okay, I promise all my subscribers that whatever questions that people ask me or my candidate ask me, that I will come here to answer all of the questions, and you people will definitely have to learn from the questions also. All right, so that's basically what I'm doing now. So all the questions I receive, I have a whole lot of them, so I'm trying to do the video. So it is important for you to subscribe so that you'll be getting the update whenever I drop the video. All right, so I'm doing the video um separate batch by batch and bit by bit. Okay, so that's basically how I do. So before I continue to today's video, I would like to tell you something. We have a WhatsApp group. All right, so the WhatsApp group is basically for our 2024 UTME candidate. Of course, you can become one of us, right? So the only way you can become one of us is by letting me know in the comment section that you want to join us. As once you let me know that you want to join us on the comment section, I'll be right there to give you my WhatsApp number. Then you message me on WhatsApp. After getting to know you, I will have to add you up to our WhatsApp group. Right? So that is basically how it is. So there in our WhatsApp group, um we give free wire questions and answers, NICO questions and answers, and basically schools, university, post UTME, or attitude test, past question and answer. So that's basically what we do there, and we have also a whole lot of things you benefit from there. So you don't want to miss out. So that's how it is. Okay, so let's go right to the video. Um, People are asking me Jam 2024 change of institution, the date of the deadline of Jam 2024 change of institution. So I want to I want to I want to explain things you know about you do not know about this thing called changes. All right. So for now I will tell you there's nothing like deadline when it comes to change of institution and course. All right. So there is nothing like deadline. Even up to this very moment, we are still doing 2023 correction. All right. So there's nothing like deadline. So what happens now is that you it depends on the school of your choice. All right, so it depends on the school or your institution of your choice. All right, it depends. So if just that now that JAMB has not released cutoff mark yet, so if you change to any institution now, so once post UTME starts, you can buy their form and you are eligible for admission. All right, so we are eligible to write the exam. All right, so that's basically how it is. So if maybe let's assume that you choose River State University as your first choice. Okay, so now maybe you did not meet up to River State University cutoff mark. You want to change to University of Port Harcourt. All right, so you have to do that change before the post UTME starts or before the end of post UTME. You understand? If you make the change before the post UTME starts, so that once the post UTME starts, you can get the form, or you are advised to also make the changes early. I don't know how to explain so you guys will really understand picture what I'm saying. All right, so you have to make the change before the commenced of post UTME form, or before the sales of 2024 post UTME form. All right, even if maybe you didn't make the change before that time and you heard that post UTME has commenced, all right, at least a week, because post UTME registration lasts at least 1 month. Okay, so a week, once you hear that it has started, so just do the correction that week. Okay, so that by next week or in some days you can be able to get the form. Right, so whereby you didn't do any of these changes and the school closes the sales of their form, that you have also, if there is no other school selling form by that particular time, that simply means you have to write again. So but if there is other school, you can change to schools that is selling the form at that particular time. So that's to tell you that for now there is nothing like deadline for change of institution. So but it's advised for you to change on time. So once cutoff mark is out, then you know your school, you know your course, you know your jam score, then you can change immediately to any school you choose. Or if you still want to remain in your school, you can remain. All right, so that's basically how it is. So don't wait for deadline. So the only thing I advise, you wait once cutoff mark is out. The reason why I said you should wait once cutoff mark is out is because you might, let's assume that you scored, let's assume that you scored 300. Now you change to school A. Okay, you were in school A before. Now you scored 300. Now, okay, how will I put it? Okay, you were in school A. I'm using this as an illustration. All right, so you were in school A before. All right, so now you scored 200. All right, so you scored 200. So now you don't want to go school A again, maybe because of some certain things. You don't want to go, you no longer want to continue with school A. Now you want to change to school B. Now your what you score is 200. Now after changing before the cutoff mark, now Jamb might decide to schools might after Jamb cutoff mark, your school B might decide to cut 250 scores. Of course, you didn't reach. So that simply means that you are still going to change from that your school B that you recently changed to. You're still going to change from there to another school again. So it is advised for you to wait till Jamb release their cutoff mark. Of course, their cutoff mark is not yet out now, so you have to subscribe and hold on. All right, subscribe and turn on bell notification. Once cutoff mark is out, I will have to let you guys know. But it's advised for you to join us on WhatsApp. So once cutoff mark out, I will definitely have to let you guys know there also. All right, so that's where you will chat with me frequently. Anytime you want have any question, you can ask me there in the WhatsApp group. All right, so that's the advice, right? So it's advice for you to hold on till cutoff mark comes out. All right, so I love you guys, and this, I believe I have answered this question to this, and this is where I'll be ending this video today. Thank you so much and remain blessed. I love you. Keep winning.